Today's a fantastic day and one of my absolute favourite times of the year in the vegetable growing calendar. We're in the middle of June now and it's time to harvest my garlic. Now these garlic here were planted back at the end of October last year, so they've been all through the winter and now they're ready to harvest. You can always tell when garlic's ready to harvest because it goes this yellowy rusty type of colour. Now these are a variety called SOLENT white. Last year I planted supermarket bought garlic, so I went to a supermarket, just picked up some garlic off a shelf and planted it, and as you'll see it grew okay. I got some reasonably good garlic out of it, but I did find that a lot of the bulbs and the cloves were quite small. But this year I decided that I was going to pay a little bit of extra money and go and buy my garlic from a seed merchant, which I did. So in this video I'm going to show you the garlic I harvested last year using the supermarket garlic, and I'm going to show you the garlic that this produces using the seed merchant garlic to see if there really is a difference. But I believe it can be fairly expensive to buy your garlic from a seed merchant. So the question is it worth the extra money? Well, let's find out. So now we're in the middle of June and today I've come to have a look and harvest my garlic. Now this is garlic that, if you remember from the video that I put on, I think it was in November last year when I actually planted it. This is from a greengrocer's. These are not some bulb bought from seed merchants. These are just garlic I've just bought from a greengrocer, split them up and put them into the ground, and you can see that they've worked. Some fairly decent sized garlic on there. I need to dig up the rest of them, take them home, dry them out. Still got all these to dig up here as well. So all the garlic's now being harvested. I'm thinking there's around about 100 bulbs here. All of those from garlic that I bought from a greengrocer's for around about £1.50. So I'm going to take these home now, dry them out for 2 to 3 weeks, and then I've got a good supply of garlic for, well, for a long time by the looks of it. Okay then, here goes. So let's put our fork in and dig our first garlic up. Okay, looks pretty good. Reasonable size, quite similar to the larger bulbs I got last year from the supermarket, but maybe just a tiny bit smaller than I would have expected, but definitely bigger than the supermarket garlic I got last year. But nevertheless, that's a good bulb of garlic, which I'm really pleased with. So I'm going to do the same process now and dig the rest of them up, and then I'll give you my overall opinion of what I think of them compared to supermarket bought garlic. So I've dug all the garlic up from the bed, as you can see, and I've just laid it out just to have a look at what we've got from the harvest. Overall there's a good quantity. Germination rate I'd say was about 95%, which is really good. So that's a big tick for the seed merchant garlic. I don't think it was as high as that as last year. Something else I've noticed is quite a variation in the size of the bulbs. We've got some really good sized bulbs at the top, and then there are some smaller ones at the bottom which are a little bit disappointing. I mean, it doesn't really matter that much because all of these will get used, so nothing will go to waste of what you can see. But I suppose because I bought seed merchant garlic, I was expecting to get a slightly average larger size. In comparison to the supermarket garlic from last year, I wouldn't say there's a massive difference in the average size of the garlic. It's just that the larger ones that I've got this time round are slightly bigger than the largest ones I got from the supermarket garlic. So overall, a really good harvest. So therefore, what is my overall opinion on the difference between planting supermarket garlic and planting garlic purchased from a seed merchant? Well, in terms of the germination rate, the garlic purchased from a seed merchant seems to have higher germination, so more bulbs germinate compared to that bought from the supermarket. In terms of the size of the garlic, I was expecting the average size of the bulb to be slightly higher with the seed merchant, although there are some decent sized bulbs that you can see on the camera. One thing that is noticeably different about the garlic purchased from the seed merchant is the smell. It's an amazing smell. I mean, there's such a smell of garlic now that I can smell that I don't remember smelling last year when I harvested the supermarket garlic. I'm hoping that's a suggestion that the garlic is going to be better quality. So my overall impression, based upon the difference between supermarket planted garlic and that purchased from a seed merchant, is there isn't a massive amount of difference in terms of the bulb size, but overall these appear to be better quality. and that's what's going to make me go for a seed merchant again next year. In fact, what I'll do now that I've got these, I probably wouldn't need to purchase from a seed merchant because I can save some of these bulbs and just plant these. And the key thing is, I know the source, I know what variety of garlic it is, and I know what quality it is. I suppose it's also worth mentioning that if you do purchase your garlic from a seed merchant, you know it's going to be of a reasonably good standard, because you don't know, for example, whether the garlic in a supermarket has any underlying diseases in it, whereas the seed merchants will usually guarantee their garlic against things like that. So it is really swings and roundabouts. So I do think the extra cost is worth it, purchasing garlic from a seed merchant, but if your funds are tight and you haven't got an awful lot of resources available, then you can easily go to a supermarket, purchase a bulb of garlic reasonably cheaply and plant it, and you will get garlic. But as you've seen in the video, I feel that the supermarket garlic is slightly smaller, and I'm not convinced that that garlic is as good quality as the garlic I've harvested today. So I suppose it will come down to your budget really, in terms of whether you want to pay that extra expense. I think it's worth it. You may disagree. Maybe you can let me know in the comments below whether you found much of a difference between garlic produced from a supermarket or that produced from a seed merchant. I hope you found that video interesting, and I'd like to thank you very much for watching. And if you did like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to the channel for future videos on how to sow and grow fruit and veg and flowers, and 1 or 2 recipe ideas, don't forget to press the subscribe button. And I'll see you all on the next video.